Are you thinking about selling your home, but you are stressed about repairs? Don't worry, because you are not alone. A recent study by the National Association of Realtors shows that 61% of sellers made at least some repairs before listing their home. But here's the kicker: 39% sold their homes as is. Hi, I'm Candace Toscano, realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty and interior designer with Toscano Interiors. Okay guys, so let's just get right into this, because if your budget, time, and resources feel stretched to the max, selling as is might sound like the perfect shortcut, right? But before you decide, let's just break this down. Okay, first, here's the truth. Homes that are updated tend to sell for more money. Kind of a no-brainer, right? And why is that? Well, because buyers love a move-in ready home. But when you sell as is, fewer buyers might be interested, which could mean fewer offers, a longer time on the market, and yep, a lower sales price. And nobody likes that. But here's the flip side. And it's a good one. In today's market, 56% of buyers say that they're open to buying a home that needs a little work. And while that's because affordability is still tight, and buyers might see your home's potential even if it's not perfect. So there's a positive, right? So here's how you kind of decide what's best for you. And it's where having a pro on your side can make all the difference. And well, I just so happen to know a great agent that will help show you what homes like yours are selling for. I will help you price your home, whether it's polished or as is. And of course, highlight your home's best features, like its location or its size, so buyers focus on the potential and not the projects. That's key. So remember, selling as is means what buyers see is, well, what they get. This can be a relief. No repairs, no post-inspection negotiations, which we all love, but it does come with trade-offs. So let's weigh your options together. The bottom line, selling as is absolutely possible in today's market, but every decision comes with its pros and cons. So, of course, let's chat about what's best for your situation. Send me a direct message or drop me a comment below, because I promise you, your dream buyer is out there and I will help you find them. Thanks so much for watching.